Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Intel NUC power supply is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components for your compact computing powerhouse, ensuring stable operation and longevity for your mini PC. Without the right power, even the most capable NUC can suffer from performance issues, random shutdowns, or even permanent damage, making the selection of a reliable power adapter a paramount decision for any enthusiast or professional relying on their Intel NUC for daily tasks, entertainment, or demanding workloads. Number 5. Samsung 970 EVO SSD 1TB. Experience the next level of storage with our high-performance SSD. It's designed for demanding users who need speed and reliability. Get a 2-month Adobe Creative Cloud photography plan on us. It's our gift to you when you purchase and register this eligible SSD. Powered by our innovative vNAND technology, it offers enhanced bandwidth and low latency. This makes it ideal for gaming and content creation. Achieve sequential read speeds of up to 3,500 MB/s and write speeds of up to 2,500 MB/s. Enjoy lightning-fast data access. Manage your drive seamlessly with our Magician software. It optimizes performance, ensures data security, and provides automatic firmware updates. Our dynamic thermal guard technology monitors and maintains optimal temperatures. This prevents performance drops and keeps your data secure with encryption. Rest assured with our 5-year limited warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of this exceptional storage solution. What we like. Experience next-level performance with its innovative vNAND technology. Enjoy blazing fast read and write speeds for demanding tasks. If you're a content creator or a high-end gamer looking for a significant storage upgrade, this is the choice for you. What people say. The 3060 and 5060s have been reported to have only 2-lane support and Dell's documentation is useless, but user complaints of less than optimal performance on NVMe M.2 SSDs are everywhere. Well, Dell must have updated that system because Crystal Disk Mark shows the 3000 MB/s plus of a 4-lane system. I'm getting 1500 MB/s on a laptop 2-lane. This is still 3x the speed of an M.2 SATA SSD. This M.2 NVMe drive offers lightning-fast read and write speeds, significantly reducing boot times and loading times for applications and games. The installation process was straightforward, thanks to its compact design. The 970 EVO fits perfectly into my motherboard's M.2 slot, making for a clean build without extra cables. Number 4. FSP Power Supply for Intel NUC. Ensure your Intel NUC runs smoothly with this high-quality power supply. It provides stable 19V65W output, perfect for a wide range of mini PC models. Enjoy the convenience of an extra-long 12-foot cord for flexible placement. This adapter is UL listed, guaranteeing safety and peace of mind for your equipment. Designed to be compatible with numerous Intel NUC generations, including the 10, 8, 7, 6, and 5 series. It's the ideal replacement or backup for your mini PC. Experience the difference of a product made in Taiwan, known for its manufacturing excellence. This adapter supports universal input voltage from 110-240V. Rest assured with UL certification, ensuring it meets stringent safety standards. Your business, home, and family's safety are protected by its reliable performance. Benefit from a 30-day refund policy and a 24-month exchange warranty. As a US-based company, we offer friendly and expert customer support. What we like. This power supply offers an exceptionally long 12-foot cord for greater flexibility in placement. It's UL listed for safety assurance. If you need extended reach from your power outlet or have a specific Intel NUC model that requires a reliable 65W adapter, this is a great option. What people say. It operates at 100-240V and 50-60 Hz, so you could use this anywhere with the appropriate power cord or plug adapter. The power requirements and connector are the same as a NUC, so far this has kept it running consistently for 2+ months except for an unrelated power outage. Unlike other third-party power supplies I've bought, there's no coil whine and it doesn't get hot to the touch. The extra long cord is helpful if an outlet or surge protector is not close. The blue LED power indicator light is nice but a bit brighter in a dark room than needed. Number 3. HQRP AC Power Adapter for Intel NUC. Ensure your Intel NUC runs smoothly with this high-quality AC power adapter. It provides stable and reliable power, replacing your original adapter with confidence. Designed for global use, this adapter accepts a wide range of input voltages from AC 100V to 240V. It's perfect for use anywhere in the world with its standard USA plug. Delivering a precise 19V at 3.42A and 65 watts, it's engineered to perfectly match the power requirements of your compatible Intel NUC models. This ensures optimal performance and longevity. This adapter is compatible with a vast array of Intel NUC kits and boards, including the D34010WIK, D54250WIK, and many Series 5, 6, 7, and 8 models. Check our list to confirm it's the right fit for your device. Equipped with automatic overload and thermal cutoff, plus short circuit and overvoltage protection, it offers peace of mind. Enjoy high efficiency and reliability with minimal interference and noise. This adapter is a direct replacement for several OEM part numbers, including those from FSP and Intel. It's designed for a seamless fit and function, making the replacement process straightforward. What we like. This adapter is designed to replace numerous OEM part numbers, ensuring broad compatibility with various Intel NUC kits. It includes essential safety features like overload and short circuit protection. If you're looking for a versatile replacement that covers many Intel NUC generations and prioritizes safety, this is a solid pick. What people say. I like that it's longer so I can route it better. Build quality seems pretty good and it's reasonably priced. Fits correctly, powers the NUC, and stays nice and cool. Number 2. 19V65W Power Supply Replacement for Intel NUC Mini PC. Ensure your Intel NUC Mini PC stays powered up with this 19V65W replacement power supply. It's designed to provide stable and reliable energy for your device. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of Intel NUC models from generations 5, 6, and 7. It also works with various other mini PC systems. Rest assured, this power supply is UL listed certified, offering overload, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent protection for safe operation. With a 9-foot, 270 centimeters, long cable, you'll have plenty of reach to connect your device comfortably, meeting your various work needs. This unit is 100% compatible with original devices and has been tested to ensure it's in great working condition. It comes with a 12-month exchange warranty. Please note that this power supply is not compatible with Intel NUC models 10, 11, 12, or 13. Always check your device's requirements. What we like. Benefit from a longer 9-foot cable for more convenient setup options. It is UL listed, guaranteeing safety and reliability for your Intel NUC. If you need a replacement power supply for older Intel NUC models, 7, 6, 5, and appreciate the extended cable length, this is a practical choice. What people say. The product works. The design is good. The function is great. Number 1. HQRP 19V AC Adapter for Intel NUC. Ensure your Intel NUC runs smoothly with this high-quality AC adapter. It provides stable 19V power, designed for optimal performance and longevity. This adapter is compatible with various Intel NUC models, including the NUC 5i5RYK, NUC 5i7RYH, and NUC 5i3RYK. It's the perfect replacement or backup power solution. With input ranging from 100V to 240V AC, it's ready for worldwide use. Plus, the included Euro plug adapter makes it convenient for use in Europe. Your device is protected with advanced safety features. It includes automatic overload and thermal cutoffs, as well as short circuit and overvoltage protection. Experience efficient power delivery with minimal interference and noise. This ensures a clean and reliable power source for your computer. We stand by the quality of our product. This AC adapter comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This compact AC adapter provides reliable power with built-in safety protections. It comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you need a straightforward, safe, and dependable power supply for compatible Intel NUC models and prefer a shorter warranty period, this is a suitable option. What people say. Works great. This is a genuine Intel NUC power supply, ensuring compatibility and reliable performance for your Intel NUC device. The power supply unit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to integrate into your NUC setup without adding bulk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.